guess. But if it gets bad, turn around. I'm putting this thing in first gear. Oh, never mind, that's neutral. I can't see anything, doo-dah, doo-dah. I can't see anything, I might stub my toe. Well, dang it. Looks like we already have to turn around.
You ought to go under it.
I don't know how we're going to go under it. Might have to lay your bike down on that hill and then come through it that way. Yeah, like that, and then go under and pull your bike through. Seriously. There you go. Stay there, little thing. I got it. Maybe. Can you get... Hopefully. Yeah, I'm good. Keep it in first gear, Jerry. I swear, if there's another tree, I'm gonna lose it. Hope I don't fall off the mountain. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Hope I don't fall off the mountain, no. Oh, the doo-dah. Oh, the rock. That was a big rock. Ooh, it's rocky. Woohoo, 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 woohoo. I think Dirt Bike Channel should come down here and ride. I'd be sitting over on my back, but I just kept the gas going. Woohoo! Oh, that hurt.
A little rough, wasn't it?
I don't know how I made up that. I legitimately don't know how I made up that. You want to have really good brakes when you go on a single track. really have really good brakes. That's a bad thing. Oh no, here's a big road. Oh. Okay, let me put her in neutral. Holy crap, dude. That's bad. That's real bad, dude. I ascended it, kinda. Can't see where I'm going. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Hope I don't crash and die. Oh, doo-dah, dee. I skipped them big mud puddle. He didn't. He had to go in the mud puddle because he didn't see that little turn right there. I know y'all are gonna fuss about in the comments saying, "Oh my gosh, he's keeping his feet down."
Dang! I broke my hand. Glad I didn't.
Yeah? Yeah, kick that tree down.
I think right there is where it goes in.
Yeah? Alright. Looks like it though. About before he smashed his hand, I know y'all are gonna be fussing about in the comments saying, "Oh my gosh, he has his legs out." Well, listen, people, when you're on a little bike like this and you're going up and down, up and down, up and down, and you go in ruts, you kind of have to have your legs down. Ooh, I don't like that. Don't like that at all. I think right up here is where it goes down. Pretty sure. You good? Yep, I'm going. I am using my back brake. Whee! Oh, this is sketchy as crap. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Hope I don't die. Oh, doo-dah dee. I hit that tree when I came in that one time. Did you say lean that way? Or lean that way? I'm just gonna scoot with my feet. I made it! And I didn't crash. Heck yeah. And my goggles. Do what? Alright, I'll watch. I did not like that one bit, but I did it for him because mainly I wanted to not do it, but it turned out a good video, and I'm not going right there. I'm going right here. There's a little side trail right here. That don't get my bike muddy. And that's not a big old rut. Well, it is big. It is a rut, but it's not big. Still have to keep her in first. On my pegs this whole ride back up, which I'm gonna try. Try to challenge the thing. I broke the thing, but it starts now. Woohoo! Starts now. Let the not the e-brake, the gas brake, or whatever the heck it is, do its thing. I got it. I'm not actually going to go now. I'm just going to keep the throttle going. Keep the throttle twisting, if you will. There you go, Dad. Good job. Good job, Dad. Good job. It's go time. Alright, let's go. Really fun. Besides me almost dying, I've had a really good time. I'm gonna pop her in a second. Oh crap, here's that big old muffle. Oh no, here's another big old muffle. Here's that big old hill. Not really big, but compared to that last one, this is nothing. A bug on my nose.